Hello everybody and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to create your own animations and upload them to Roblox. In my tutorials I often use animations, but I've never actually showed you guys how to make your own because I always get mine from the toolbox. So that is going to be what we are doing today. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so there are a few ways that you could, make your own animations. I'm just going to show you the most easy way, which is the one that's already built into Roblox Studio. So load up your game in Roblox Studio and go to this little avatar tab up here at the top of your screen, right? Now you're going to want to click on this little character button. You can animate whichever type you like. I'm just going to do R6. You can also use whichever one of these you want. I'm just going to do block avatar because this is my preferred way of animating and making my games. So next, you're going to want to click on this little animation button up here, then click on the avatar that you would like to animate, and now we can just start creating our animation. I'm just going to create a simple animation. I'll create like a little walk. That should be pretty simple. So you want to start out by like posing it how you want like the starting frame to be. Alright, so when you have your starting pose for your animation, I guess, you're going to want to come down here and move this little timeline slider thing across the timeline and create your next pose. And then just repeat that process until your animation is done. Alright, so I have my finished animation exactly the way I want it. So the way you can upload this is you can actually just do it right inside this Roblox animation editor, right? Just click on these three little dots and then just publish it to Roblox. If you're making a game under a group, then you would change the creator to be the group that you want this game to be published under. But if you're just making a game for you, then just keep the creator as me, yourself. You can title it whatever you want. I'm just going to title mine Walk, save it, and now it's been published to Roblox. Make sure you copy this ID. It's very important for actually getting your animation in-game. So you can close out of this now, close out of the animation editor as well. And if you were to want to like play this animation on a rig in your game, then I'll show you how to do that too. First, just make a script inside the rig, then make an animation inside that script. Then have the animation ID be the one that we just copied. Name it whatever you want, but since mine's a walk animation, I'm just going to call it walk. Then we're going to get a variable for the humanoid, script.parent.humanoid. Then we'll get a variable for the animation, so we'll be humanoid, we'll load animation script.walk. Actually, I forgot, Roblox Studio did push out an update where this did get deprecated. So it's not going to be the humanoid anymore. It's going to be the humanoid.animator, and that should be good. And then we're just going to play the animation. And so now if we test this in game, he should be playing your animation. Alright, that's going to do it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, please subscribe, do all that, Also, let me know of any other tutorial that you guys would like to see in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Goodbye.